Hey tastemakers, it's Maxine, your favorite wine specialist, guiding you on your journey through fine wine. And this is Eat Good with Max. On today's episode, we are celebrating Valentine's Day. Whether you are celebrating Valentine's Day with your forever love, a new love, or just by yourself. But no, celebrate it with somebody. Yeah, Valentine's Day is a day for loving your significant other. Whoever you are choosing to celebrate this day with, we have a wonderful menu for you today with Eat Good with Max. Our favorite chef, Chef Ray, will be joining us, and we will be making a surf and turf for you to enjoy at home. At the time of this recording, we are still experiencing a global pandemic. So our traditional Valentine's Day dinner at our wonderful restaurants may come to a halt for you to stay safe, or you may not want to be in a restaurant with others. Whatever your preference is, we have you covered for a fabulous dinner to enjoy at home. But first, we cannot have a wonderful dinner without a fabulous wine. And you know what time it is with me, champagne time. So because, as I mentioned, we will be doing a surf and turf, I selected a sparkling rosé champagne, which pairs well with a lot of good things. Today we are drinking Lallier. Lallier is a predominantly Pinot Noir rosé champagne. I really enjoyed this. I discovered this last year, so I've been drinking it for a while. When you enjoy this wine, you will experience red berries such as strawberries and cherries for this one. Also some citrus and floral notes with this. This is a wonderful full body wine that'll be able to stand up to the surf and turf that we'll be enjoying. Now, let's get into the food.
Okay, so Max, Valentine's, right?
Valentine's.
It's actually a pretty intense menu, but guess what?
What?
You're gonna knock it out the park.
We are.
Yeah, we're gonna knock it out the park.
And we're keeping it healthy.
And we're keeping it healthy.
Because just because it's Valentine's Day, we save the waistline, girls.
Exactly. So one of the things, particularly with vegetables, what I tell people that don't actually know the vegetable cookery, meaning know how to blanch, saute, the quick and easiest way to do it is put it in the oven, roast it, and let it do its thing.
Okay.
What we're gonna do, Max, we're just gonna take some avocado olive oil here. And the reason why I use avocado oil is because it has a high smoking point. We're gonna roast it at 400 degrees. So we're gonna sprinkle just a tad bit of the oil over the vegetables, right?
All right.
And then we're gonna take my little mixture, my famous mixture here, which is a little salt and pepper, a little onion powder, garlic, salt in there. And we're gonna mix it in there. And then of course we gotta take our cracked black pepper. Realistically, I'm gonna add a tad bit more.
Okay.
I'm all about flavor, right?
Okay.
Meaning, if it's green beans, if it's carrots, if it's cauliflower, asparagus, guess what? It should taste like that on the first bite,
Got it.
right?
So don't
now,
overseason.
what we're gonna do, take it up to your level, which I say your
Okay.
refined palate, we're gonna take a little bit of white truffle oil.
Ooh, fancy. I love truffle oil.
You smell it?
I do. Ooh, that smells
Yeah,
good.
so we're gonna sprinkle just a tad bit over it.
Stepping up this Valentine's
And we're
Day
gonna,
dinner.
yeah,
The
we're gonna toss it in there. You can already smell it, right?
I can.
Yeah,
Oh, gosh,
so-
that smells amazing.
Okay, Max, so you see that?
I do.
It's all about color, right?
Oh, and
you
it
ready to
smells
eat it, and we had
amazing.
it's raw
I
vegetables.
am. Can we eat it raw?
Yeah,
Can we
you,
have a
yeah,
carrot?
yeah, try one.
Okay, good like that.
Just like that, right? So we're gonna place them in the oven at 400, and we're gonna roast them for about 30 minutes.
Okay.
Hey, Max, so we've got our roasted vegetables.
Yes.
They're ready, as you can see. They're
are
perfect.
Ooh, and they smell amazing.
Right, so we're gonna go ahead and
Okay.
pull them out.
Okay.
Because we'll be plating here in a moment. We've got our filet started. And actually, Max, this is about 10 ounces.
10 ounces.
Yeah.
This is a lot of meat.
It's a lot of meat.
They eat a
But
lot
you
of
can do
meat
more.
in Texas.
I would say do 4 to 6 ounces, right?
I would agree.
But the tenderloin I bought, I was able to get 2 nice cuts out of it, all right?
Perfect. So
Now,
I don't eat much beef, so I would probably just eat half
Yeah.
of that, or just maybe a
Yeah.
slice for the sake.
and we're gonna pull our fried lobster
Okay.
out of the oil here, the fat fry.
So let's talk about our joke about the fried lobster.
Lobster.
We were coming up with our menu of surf and turf. We were deciding on it, and I saw a fried lobster on Instagram, and I was like, "Chef, what about fried lobster?" He was just
And I
like,
said, "Oh man, everybody does fried lobster," but I said, "For you, we're gonna do a fried
"We're gonna
lobster."
do fried. I never had fried lobster."
And basically, I I just use a little bit of cornmeal, Max, a little bit of cake flour to dust it, as you can see, because we don't want a bunch of breading. You actually want, again, what?
You want lobster. You want the lobster. And that was one of the things that he was telling me. A lot of times people make the fried lobster and it overpowers because it's delicate. So you just, if you're going to have that experience, lightly breaded. And how long should we cook that?
It took less than 3 to 4 minutes.
Okay.
Seafood does not take long to fry.
Okay.
If you over fry it, then like you were saying earlier, it gets like, it coagulates and it gets real crunchy, braceful.
Yeah.
So yeah. So we're gonna start it with truffle oil, right?
Okay. Got truffle.
When I had my restaurant, I used to do 8 different risottos, and people are like, how do you do
that?
Well, the deal is, I had the components, which is the foundation, which is the risotto itself, which is an arboro rice, which is Italian pasta, right? Okay. So this is the risotto. I've got my truffle oil, right, Max?
Yes.
We're gonna start it with some shallots. I know you got white wine in here, right?
Use our trim box Riesling from our Super Bowl episode.
All right, Max, so we're just gonna, here's the tad bit because I know it's high dollar. And basically, we're just deglazing and you can smell the aromatics of the wine.
Amazing.
We're gonna take our arboro rice, which is what we've already got ready here, right? We're gonna make a Cajun style. So the same sauce that we use from our Valentines for our shrimp, you're gonna make that same sauce. And we're gonna add to the risotto. I'm gonna add some grated Parmesan Romano. Then I'm gonna add a 5-cheese Italian blend.
Okay.
And then I'm gonna add an Asiago, right? And basically we're just gonna mix it together. We're not gonna over stir it. We're gonna blend it together. We've got our risotto. And as you can see, taking on a really nice color here. Just for you, Max, I went out and found a heart shape.
Yay!
For you. Alrighty, so we're gonna take our risotto. We're gonna mold it.
This looks good. You know what I like about your risotto? It doesn't have like that mushy.
No, that's why I gave you the art. It's like the foundation, which is the arboro rice.
It smells amazing.
You're gonna cook that in advance. You can cook it a day in advance, refrigerate it, and basically, when we went to mix or make our risotto, it was room temperature. I hope you're not one of those individuals that kill your filet.
What do you mean?
Meaning, this is medium.
Okay.
Right here.
No,
right?
I like my medium. I'm now going to medium rare.
Okay.
But again, I don't eat much beef anymore, so.
Alrighty. So we're gonna offset it here. Because we don't want to mess up our heart.
We do not, because it looks so fabulous.
And we're gonna place it on top here, almost like an angle, right?
Ooh.
We'll start with our asparagus. We're just gonna layer them here.
Okay.
Now that's a plate full of color.
That looks amazing.
Go ahead and move your lobster there.
Hold on, I gotta try this heart-shaped risotto. It smells good, but it tastes amazing. Okay, guys, my first time trying fried lobster. Do not judge me how I'm
juicy. What you think?
It's good.
It's good?
Y'all, he was giving me smoke for one.
I was.
Y'all should have heard
I was giving him smoke for. I'm like, Max.
You're like, what?
No, I was like, Max, I'm a chef. I'm not a fry cook.
That was exactly what it
Because I was like, okay, you're classy, you're elegant.
I wanted that fried lobster.
Yeah, but she got her fried lobster. You wanted this romantic dessert. Okay. So I did your creme brulees. It's 5 simple ingredients. You've got heavy cream, vanilla bean, I use the paste, sugar, egg yolk, and whatever flavoring you want. And then you put it in a water bath, bake them for about 30 minutes, covered with aluminum foil.
Okay.
And then right before service time, Max, we take this super fine super fine sugar, Max, and just sprinkle it over the top here. Okay. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna caramelize the sugar. Stand back. We're gonna have a little fun here. No, you don't have to stand back. Okay. And all we're gonna do here is caramelize the
See,
sugar till it
I
gets
need me
nice.
a blowtorch in my
I know,
kitchen.
you need to start making a list and
Yeah,
tell
this
this
is
what
fabulous.
you need.
I need this.
That's dessert.
That's dessert.
Now, if that's not a winner, Max, something's wrong.
This is a
So we have our
fabulous-
filet, our Cajun risotto, fried lobster, and the roasted vegetables. And you start roasting the vegetables before you start the meal.
Before the meal.
Yeah.
And we have our dessert. What a fabulous Valentine's Day this is. Thank you, Chef.
You're welcome.
For walking us through our wonderful Valentine's Day dinner.
Good. It's good to see
Happy
you again.
Valentine's. Where's your glass?
I've had so many
Yes.
glasses, man. You know, when it comes to
Happy
Max, you gotta be real
Valentine's
like, I'm gonna go
Day.
and detox when I leave here. No.
Guys,
But,
don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Let me know if you recreated this meal and share with me your Valentine's Day. How was your day? Until we meet again, drink good, live well.
Happy Valentine's, man.
Happy Valentine's Day, Chef.